Greetings, beautiful ones. Fran here. Want to talk to you today a little bit about energetic clutter and how energetic clutter can create blocks in your life. So a lot of times we think about energy, right? And we want to make sure we have good energy, and we know that everything in our life is an energy, right? However, sometimes we are cluttered. Our energy is cluttered. Now, does that always mean our chakras are the energy that we're vibrating in? Absolutely not. Let me give you an example. Have you ever opened your inbox and you have hundreds of emails, unread emails, or just hundreds of emails that you've read that you're just holding on to just because? That can serve as an energetic block in your life, because sometimes you'll open it and you'll be like, oh, okay, I need to get rid of these. But then sometimes you open it and you're like, oh my God, that I have so much to do, or I have so much. At that moment, your subconscious is picking up, there is a lot to do, and all that you're focused on is the clutter. At that moment, you have created an energetic block in your life. And these blocks can stop your money, your business, your relationships, and even your elevation. You've got to clear the clutter.